Hello, little artist.
Welcome to Ovikanha's art.
Today, we are going to draw a super cute, funky Diya for Diwali. Let's start with some big, funky eyes. Give it a nice, happy smile. Now, let's draw the outline. Can you see our cute little Diya shape? And look, it even has little hands and legs. A Diya with a personality. Now, let's add a bright, glowing flame at the top. And right above, we are writing Happy Diwali to bring even more festive cheer. Time for colors. Let's start with those sparkling eyes. Aren't they full of joy? Next, color the Diya with a happy yellow. This Diya is full of Diwali light. Diya lamps are so special on Diwali. They help us celebrate by lighting up our homes and spreading happiness everywhere. Let's add some warm yellow and orange to the flame. It's glowing so brightly now. And how about we add 8 little red dots, 4 on each side of the flame to make it extra festive. Time to color those legs and add some fun highlights to make it really pop. And our funky Diya is ready. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun art. And from all of us, Happy Diwali!